Hello and welcome to another lesson in my C++ basics tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to input data into an already running program. So far we've dealt with outputting data through the cout command. We've dealt with integers in my other lessons, and having fixed integers, pre-programming them in your program, so going x equals 6, that kind of stuff. But what if you're writing a bank program, for example, and you need the user to input his ID number, which you don't know or don't have the right to input? Well, they will have to input the data while the program's already running, and programs do that all the time. For example, you need to input your password and username when you log in, that kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you how to input the data. Okay, so first of all we're going to have an integer x here, and let's just go cout please input a number. Okay, colon space there, and then we just go close that. Whoops, we just close it here. Okay, so please input a number, and then we do a cin. So to output data you need to do a cout. This time we do a cin, and the brackets are reversed. So these two going this way are for an output, and these two are for an input. And then we use the variable x, seeing that that's the data storage we're going to be using. Okay, then we go cout again. Cout your number is a space, and then we do 2 here, and then then put in the variable x, which by now will have a number, and then end L. Okay, so hopefully if I've done everything right, whoops, just put a semicolon in there, we should compile and run it, and it should run. Here we go. So I input a number. I'm going to do the number 6, and it's returned the number 6. So as you can see, you input in here. So that's the very basics of input and output in C++, very core. Let's just expand on it a little. Okay, so I'm going to add another variable, the integer y, and so for example, let's do a basic calculation. So now that we have y equals x times, you can do anything, but I just chose times 5. Okay, and then semicolon. And now let's replace x with y, because if we have x it will still be that number we inputted, so y. And let's compile and run it, and hopefully we should have a little calculation program. So here we go. Just put that in here a bit. I spelled please wrong, I do notice that, I'm very sorry. 2, and now I should press enter, and we should have a little calculation here, and your number is 10. So I hope in this lesson you learned some basics in how input and output works in C++, and I'm going to expand with that in the following lessons. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for more.